Yes. Everlove TV. Me ever do the maglobe. I think oyona fish pond. Okay, this is a facility. Ke ye my Chinese yevo over. Okobe no you the dam akoda fia. Ye you ojo the dam agboa. Ma you dam kone more luble the dejeja. Ma anyenu ke sustain eduma view so they manage their possible. I think, but oh, you have a fish pond to here the afia na. One ha close to one of fish pond. I want more airline akpanyim lafia at the plate of one on him lafia. Come this is the facility and to hold a fear. Plus I may one of fear no fish pond idea or to a quarter fear no. And my I've never if you can see this alone show but do my whole nak pa corner fear no sort on that sort. But plate the lafia reservoir to all lafia. So I will definitely bring those shots to you for you to view. Fish pond here, only about 12 of them. It's only 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 12. 10, so always separate. Then I'll give you the footage. So remember to subscribe to Everlove TV and be part of this great family because we are here to give you the exclusive interview, exclusive content over here in Volta region and beyond. So I have Magada Karabonye. What when you could afia to Wadanum. Everlove TV me ever do me agbole eduamagba rekuna na mo wonko
Peter Agbako Freeman
akwe afia mi vare what is nka wo na lafia
afia ye fish pond ai ye Chinese over to dama mongbla dama yo fish pond ko pare mongbla nchi
atana gba fon bibi
yo fish pond ko pare mongbla nchi we so pond 1 2 ayide 10 okay when ya pa adere ngochi protomole timely o harvest ne ejira na dua
okay ta kele ko jo mi po fifi le fia pond na o makata yo pele gberere nothing is really going on avel somewhere la fia le ko jo fifi le fia enya didim ehia yobo minyak pa galama and fear is just here like this. Okay, Joe.
I do domada. I go pona haina Dr. Cancer. Chop plau. Kuiwa no mwa maintain kaka kobo. Esro ajo. Ewa me claim. Ni ale esro bo. Kuiwa abandon. Kuiwa abandon pona. Kuiwa su. Ngbegula lefia kobo. No kona wa demon gbele pona ama. Wait
a minute. Do not go pond yali for fishing, fish really na. Ever to the people who come about the mall blue pond ama, then ma blue na ma.
Area tap bogata la fiaji. A chiama male ye von no chao maintain a chivana pond ama cho canal ama bana ngavamu. Ale o nya on feet. Oh, on a feet. Kona la jikpome ha. Okata va chikpulu. Ta yovo po jojo ple ade pe maintenance na nwa wa badine. Ekwe over haina Dr. Cancer chop la ko esro ha. Va abandon no kata ko mo va chikpulu.
Okay. So ele mai modi leke do wona le no na jila fia na tia ademanami. How effective it was. Alike ozo. Alike nem ya hom ya tancho duma baba plakpa. I just want you to give me gist of it. Ye mai more mari ke manya nkunu ya caricature ko pomo lafia. Leke ono vibrant. Alike o do lafia duma view vana ejijopopon no do ama ye mai mo.
Oh, gama ayevo no team 94 95 makata. Oh, na yana pa timely. Minister of Greek. Amora fiaji. Ona aglazik fish pond ajik pom. Uchuna deun Minister of Greek.
Okay.
Yeah, fisheries department.
Okay.
Ye control it.
Okay.
Employ workers over na fiaji. Workers are don kwanye Eric Agodoma. Agama. Docho at the dome over na fiaji.
Okay.
That it was working, but that well.
Very well.
workers more about you ko ba ko anyi ba pona ha na Dr. Cancer.
So let's come to this. Nkata workers more wajo government did not replace another workers who plus they still maintain this, you know.
Actually fisheries department agbo but ade egbo.
Okay.
Actually fisheries department fisheries store control afiaji.
Okay.
Under the minister of Greek.
Okay.
Workers more you ko
instead of work for continuous work over abandoning. Tayiva never over probably over renting Dr. Cancer. For how many years over renting?
Oh, about 10 years.
About 10 years
ago.
Okay. So I want you to give me a gist. So lay my mama. Dova na ya do the order na pa ajana duma view alo amochu na te ho wu over.
Order na pa ajana zan amochu tajevu a flower quantity na flower apple do amato ha o plane.
So enye edoika duma view ha o plan na akpala fia evajana na pona evidelaji. So ka ye kama ga do mo anu kata vazu caricature anu gbegblem afio kata gbegblem nka gbem mo le cho eduan
Kododo va un bledo agita kododo va pa meyonya apasi salama ma pa pon afiaji le fish pon amo après le great quantity mo kasru la ba dam gam ya mo cho for you afia do nyim fia mi na o fish food
okay
no ndudo na ma la le tom it was very lucrative work odo gama ko ba collapse ba ko gidi ta gbeso ko ba azu mo ngbe ko ba de won na pon o me if ya amayo dem ha o ma ga dem mo ngbe dem ta te ba ta la ko le yin
ika pon yali for fish pona avazu mo ngbe this is how it is in Africa. And in Ghana, I should say, you can have a fish pond, yaka, jana, people get profit from there. You can a doikala dumavion, a duyama, or abandon ya, and ever cheap buji, avava turama, avava pohla fiakata, and reptiles will afia, they may be more reptiles, so never take them or they can chase you around, or Zafia laka, and the Palma Vazu, more look bled as a fish pond avazu. Rice farming project ika Owadafia. It's very shame. And ika kari uncle like duma view the youths that's supposed to be this is our town, this is what we have. Like duma view youths kudani
oh you for answer kamalo si mi ma jagla na anu ya mi jagla aka na mi me na nya nwia e me na jagla ro ta si mi kwa ho fi osin if you're not ngogbe akpawale ke wan yata mi ma do to karare ke mi form do to karare ke be your demonstration o awon yare ke
so if you listen if you me gbogbolo the youth in this town know nothing about fish pond, know nothing about fish rearing, yet I be aniya na chafia are rotten to the maximum point, to the did I say maximum point, to the decimal point you come up with afia kata egblana. The youth in this town need to stand up. Oh my God, bro. There is so many ways of learning. They go to the internet. They can learn from there. These things are available on the internet. You go and learn whatever one of these. But the youth, this is a gakpomo now. People are doing this. And you go then no one maybe up to 10.
Yeah, from 1 to 10. So
now let's take it back to 10. Adumavioma 10 ye wo ya de ka e ganani anova vamno definitely wa kpokwa a daily bread one of high school manya kpavi mpon ya manya pon vitukutuku o it's not just a small one pon ya gbagba uma kpo galama. So the youths in this town, the pon homa, the poya, the podome ajochi, you guys need to stand up and do something about this. Me no ikoba me wa ga da shile hu na yevuo ba yevuo na ga ba yevuo over play over part. They leave this to us. No kemi awo I maintain it. They wa ga da shile hu yevuo na ga ba kwole mi ahia. That will not going to help us. All the time you depend on the yevuo. So the youths in this town need to stand up and do something about this, or else it's going to be here and then about or they should give it to the whites for them to come and do this for them again. So youth in this town, the poor home, the poor doom, the poor ya ajochi, you need to have this and then learn something on the internet and then maintain this place. When you go, government authority should come and you can go and then consult them. But oh, as an individual, I want to use this. I want to take this. They will definitely allow that to you. If you be here and they will give it to the whites, they will come and rule you in this town. That is what I have for you. Thank you. Let's go and then have the footage of the whole thing.